Let's start today's class. Today I will be teaching you articles. The articles in English are a, and the. Have a look at the board. A, and the. Out of these, a and an are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called definite article. Or we can say the words a, and the are called articles. There are two types of articles. One is indefinite article and another one is definite article. Let me explain you why they are called indefinite articles and why the is called definite article. Indefinite articles refer any person or thing, whereas definite article, the points refers specific particular person or thing. That's why it is called definite article. Do you understand what are indefinite articles and what is definite article? Clear? Let's see where we have to use a, where an is used, and where the should use. Let us discuss in detail separately. Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are used before singular countable nouns. Clear? Let me repeat once. Indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns, or we can say singular common nouns. Let us see in detail use of a. First we will learn use of a separately, individually, then use of a, then later on use of the. Here use of a. A is used before a word beginning with consonant. Where we have to use a is used before a word. Woman is a word. A is used before a word beginning, or we can say starting with consonant, or we can say consonant sound. Where we have to use a is used before a word starting with consonant, or we can say consonant sound. What is W? Consonant. I would like to let you know that you already know very well. There are 26 letters are there in English. They are called alphabet. Out of them, 5 letters A, E, I, O, U called vowels. Then rest of 21 letters are called consonant. Clear? So what I told you, A is used before a word starting with consonant or consonant sound. Here W is a consonant, or we can say woman gives consonant sound. So we have to use here a woman. Clear? Then next, dog, da sound. Which sound? Consonant sound. That's why we have to use here a dog. Then chair, cha, consonant sound. Next, cap, ka, consonant sound. A cap. Clear? Next, proceed. A is used before a word beginning with a vowel that has consonant sound. Where we have to use a is used before a word beginning starting with vowel that has consonant sound. Here is a word European beginning with vowel, but this word has consonant sound. EU together give consonant sound. Clear? Though E and U are vowel letters, though E is a vowel letter, but it gives consonant sound. That's why we have to use here a. a European, an European not. Then a union, a unit, a university. Here you, here also you, here also you. They give which sound? Consonant sound. Consonant sound. Though you, here, 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 though you is a vowel letter, but it gives consonant sound. That's why we have to use a. So letter doesn't matter. We have to concentrate on sound system. If there is a consonant sound, we have to use a. After learning use of a, now let us learn use of an. Where we have to use an, where an is used. Have a look at the board. An is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. Where we have to use an is used before a word beginning, or we can say starting with vowel sound. Here is a word eagle. This word gives vowel sound, e, vowel sound. So that's why we have to use here an article. Apple, a sound. An apple. Umbrella, an umbrella. Egg, a, vowel sound. An egg. An eagle, an apple, an umbrella, and an egg. Clear? Let us proceed to next rule. An is used before a word beginning with consonant, but which has vowel sound. Here is a word MP, member of parliament. What is M? Consonant, or we can say consonant letter. But M gives vowel sound, MP, a sound. So we have to use an MP. Do you understand? What is E? Vowel letter. And what is M? Consonant letter. Here also we are using an, and here also we are using an. Why? Because of sound. Here eagle gives E, vowel sound. That's why we have used here an. Here MP, though M is a consonant, but it gives vowel sound. That's why we have used here an eagle, an MP. In the same way, MLA, though M is a consonant, but MA gives vowel sound. That's why we have to use here an MLA. Then next, LIC, A, LIC, A, L, A, and LIC. Clear? Next, third rule, use of an. An is used before a word beginning with a silent H. Where we have to use an? The word beginning with silent H. Here see, R. Here H is not pronounced. H is silent. It is pronounced as R. Which sound gives here? Vowel sound, R. So that's why we have to say, we have to write an R. H is not pronounced. H is silent. The next, honest. Okay. Here also H is silent. H is not pronounced. Honest, A sound, vowel sound. So we have to use here an article. An honest. Next, an honest man, an honest boy. Then honor. Here also H is silent. H is not pronounced. Honor, A sound. So we have to use here an honor, an honest man, and A. Clear? Now I am going to conclude our today's class. In today's class, I have taught you where we have to use a and where we have to use an. But before concluding our today's class, I would like to let you know that in short, brief, or we can say short and sweet, I would like to mention here, have an attention where we have to use a and where we have to use an. A is used before consonant sounds. and N is used before vowel sound. So based on sound we have to identify whether A comes or N comes. Based on sound you have to fill the blanks. Clear?